Welcome to Activize Daily Startup Showcase. Today we have with us Răzvan Radu, CEO and co-founder of Humano. But before jumping into what Humano is, let me share with you a little bit about what we're doing here. So this Startup Showcase is about showcasing one startup every day in a short interview, up to 10 minutes, about what it does, what's the focus, what's the need, what's the status, with the aim to promote these startups. So that being said, hello, Răzvan.
Hello, Mircea. Thank you for your kind invitation to speak about all the cool things we do at Humano, and congrats for this great initiative. Humano is about human resources, and it's about supporting companies to make the best people decisions, to make tailored data-driven decisions. We do this by helping companies to create dashboards with real-time metrics and KPIs. And we do this by aggregating data from multiple sources, from sources like payroll systems, like learning management systems, application tracking systems, surveys, and good old-fashioned Excel. If a company has a software that uses in their HR area, we can connect to it and extract the relevant data and connect it with all the other insights that the company needs to make the best decisions. So this is pretty much what we do. We help managers from companies to make tailored data-driven decisions.
How did you come up with the idea? What was the process? What problems did you see in the market that you wanted to solve for this product?
The idea came to me when I was working as a consultant at one of the biggest consultancy firms, when I was working with Korn Ferry, and I saw that a lot of companies have this issue. They are not able to efficiently manage their data, which is stored in multiple softwares. And this is how the idea came to me, because I also saw companies that use different tools, which in fact were not efficient to extract insights, because there was still a lot of work for the people, for the HR professionals to be able to extract information in a...
So more specific, if we would have to think about the ideal customer for your product, who would be the perfect profile for you?
The perfect profile for us are companies with more than 100 employees, because volume needs to be present when you look at data. And ideally, companies that understand that data-driven decisions are the best way to achieve success. We are looking for companies who cannot manage efficiently their large volumes of data, and they cannot extract insights in real time. And this thing is very important in the context that we are living. It's important to be able to adapt very fast all the programs and the HR initiatives. And this is the way you can, let's say, make the most out of your people investments. So we are looking for companies who are not able to manage their data, and we are looking for companies who are searching and looking for the best KPIs and the best methods to measure within their company their
so it's not about small companies, it's about the bigger ones who have a lot of data information, and it's kind of hard to manage all this. And at the same time, probably the HR department are kind of overwhelmed with dealing with all the employees and managing the whole process. So your tool comes as a way to make the process more efficient, get feedback from them, manage data, and have everything in one dashboard.
Exactly.
Okay, so I think we can see a product demo as well.
Yes,
You have the
indeed.
platform
Yes,
there?
you log in, you have a user and a password, different levels of security. You can have a double sign-in, a two-step authentication process. It depends on what you are using in your company.
Yeah, let's see the dashboard.
Exactly. When you log into a main cockpit where you should see as a user the main KPIs that you look at on a daily basis, let's say. The data can arrive in our platform through different methods. The easiest way is to be brought by APIs, but we can do different levels of automation with software which doesn't have APIs. And on the other hand of the automation, you can use, you can export your data from your other software and import the data in our platform. At the moment, when you import the data, all the KPIs refresh themselves and you can see the snapshot of your organization and you can understand what you should do next. So you have different filters. You can filter your data by type of employee, by subsidiaries, by type of leaves if you want to see the population that left the company and you want to see the KPIs for those people. And of course, you have a time frame that you choose, and you can go back in time and see different snapshots of your company and how it looked like, I don't know, 1 year before, 6 months before, 2 weeks before, or how it's relevant for you. Different type of graphics you can actually, it's very important to say that this dashboard is customizable. You can add and remove different KPIs. You can also add more KPIs, or you can, we just launched a feature where you can customize some of the the KPIs. You can select what to see and how you would like to see this type of info. So here we have information from the turnover, a lot of information about turnover, early attrition within the company. Okay. We can see the performance of people who left the company to see if we have a brain drain or not. Are the most performant employees leaving our company or not? Because this should make us take different measures in our company. We can see also by department to see where we have a problem. We can also interact with the dashboard. We can take out different segments of data and to visualize only the things that we are interested to see. Also, we can put different drop downs to switch between data and understand how it was. We can understand very well how things evolve, because as you can see, different graphics make comparisons between years, between months, and you can see how you were standing last year on different KPIs.
Tell me about the business model. How do the companies pay you, or how do you make money out of this?
Our business model is very simple. It's software as a service. You pay as you go, and the pricing is influenced by the number of employees enrolled in the platform and the modules you access. We currently have the workforce analytics module that we see here, and we have the feedback and survey module, which is able to collect data, collect feedback from your employees. It is able to connect all the data you have in the other module, which extracts data from different sources.
How many
So
clients do you have now? What is the status of the product? You've launched it already, and
yes.
What is the traction? What's the interest coming from companies?
Yes, the platform was launched. We have 3 paying customers. We work with companies from various industries. We work with Samsung, we work with Salad Box, we work with Zentiva.
And what are your plans for the next months? How can the audience help you? Maybe someone sees the video and says, hey, I have an idea for these guys, or I can help them this way. But you can share with us what do you need help on?
We plan to make the platform plug and play with the most common and the most used HR software solutions present here in Romania. So we want to make the platform to be able for implementation by the client with minimum involvement from our side. So this is one of the directions, and the other direction is to create the first version of an HR virtual consultant, which should be able and will be able to give insights to the leadership team about how to best manage their employees, to identify all the risks regarding your people that you are exposed to as a company. So this is where we're
Are you
heading.
looking for investment or for clients right now?
We are looking for both. We just started to look also for investment. And of course, if someone sees the video and likes the platform, we can discuss about both things. So if you are if you have a company with more than 150 employees, we can show you and create also a demo to demonstrate the value of of this product, which in this pandemic was of very much interest for companies.
Okay, sounds good, sounds good. And the website is humano.ro, where they can see details about you, and as well they find the email address where they can reach out to you.
Exactly.
Okay, so that's it for this interview. Thanks a lot, Răzvan, for making it happen, and talk soon.
Thank you, Mircea.
And for the audience, see you tomorrow with another video.